So up here we have our projects, and you can start a new project for each different thing you're doing. And down here is your all your clips that you have. All my clips that I have. I got a lot of clips. This right here. Oh man, I got a lot of clips. Hang on. This right here is your transitions. Some basic transitions here, and some Hollywood X, all kinds of transitions. Montage themes, I don't use these, are kind of gay. Titles, these are text / titles, you can use those as titles. Any pictures you want. I think this is music off like a DVD. Shouldn't have clicked that. Oh no, this is menus, my bad. Menus, like if you're doing a DVD though. This is sound effects. If you have like sound effects like a gunshot or something. This is music. It only takes like LimeWire music, doesn't take iTunes music. There's that. Okay, so then here's if you get a clip here. Get something small. I don't have anything small. Take this one. It's 1 minute long. Drag it to the timeline here. This is the timeline. There's 3 different views here. You have the story, which I used to use when I was first learning how to use it. And there's a timeline view, which is more advanced, but it's a lot better. And if you left click and hold right here, oh, actually you can't do it on the side, it's my bad. Laggy. Jump to the end here, left click and hold. Oh jeez. Should be able to drag it. Alright, let's see here. Well, you click this button, open close video. This allows you to edit your video clip and cut it down, make it longer. And if you're in story mode, you have to close this real quick. If you're in story and you did this, you would not know how long it is in your clip. There. Here we go again. If you click that though, you click your clip. Again, you have titles. You can overlay it and stuff, and you can make borders. It's kind of montage theme I don't use. Kind of dumb. This is like to make it into a disc, like chapters and stuff. Oh, this right here is a still. You take this like that right here, and I grab it, and I can take it and make it into a picture, like you can see on the backgrounds of people's like YouTube channels. Don't use this. This screws everything up. Cropping. I don't think you can have cropping. This is only for like advanced, I think. Like the one I have, but if you use it, it's gay because it comes with this pinnacle thing and you can't get rid of it. So Control Z. Oh, actually now I have to go down to this. This is all your video effects. Delete that one. You can add some effects. Add these standard ones here. These are all standard. You might have speed too. That's a really good one. I don't have it for some reason. But don't use anything that will make a pinnacle thing over here, like this pinnacle. You don't want to use that one. Pinnacle, another gay one. Yeah, so these are really gay. This one will work. Gay though. Yeah, you just gotta mess around with it. Figure which ones work for you. That's that. Make movie. Settings, I use MPG2, real good setting. You could use Windows Media, it's kind of a smaller file. I don't know how good it is, but if I was to use it, I'd use high quality. It's pretty good, but MPG2 I use here. I go to custom. Here's all these. Make file and data rate. Everything is pretty much the same except this I bring down to 224. I don't think you can. It's up to you. I think yours just stays the same. You can't change that, and I can. I have a better version. Project preferences. This is for like when you capture and stuff. You can have a large storyboard or a smaller one. It's up to you. And I think that doesn't change this though. Back to project preferences. If you want to do widescreen, standard, up to you. Make sure this is clicked in case your computer crashes. Mess around with that. Leave these clicked. Just copy these settings here. Best settings you can find. Capture format, you want to be MPG, DVD, high quality when you capture. You'll have your setting there, your Dazzle, when you get it plugged in. Widescreen 16:9 or regular. Widescreen's probably getting newer and better. It's up to you. Back to edit. Well, I can teach you a little bit more here. We got text. You bring it down here to the text thing, and your text shows up like that. And what you can do here is you can either double click it or click here. I'll double click it. You can actually delete this. Select it and delete. Come over here to, I think, oh wait, no, come down here. If you do this right here, this is a box. You can change the style by going to custom. Just change it to solid color like red or black with no border, no shadow. You bring it down here real quick, a little higher, and you copy it, paste it up, paste it, Control Z, Control V. Now you have a simple border, real simple. I used it in my first montages. Just drag this over real quick, select something, and type. I think I can type, hang on. Drag it real quick. Whoa, it's lagging. Type right here. Oh my gosh. Well, you can type. I don't think I can type because I'm recording Hypercam, but you type, got a simple montage there. It looks kind of cool. A little uneven, whatever. You can also add transitions to your text here. This is a cool transition. It doesn't look good on its own. And it kind of overlays. You can adjust it there. Add the same thing to the first one. Press spacebar to play it. Cool transition. You guys messing around. Some hotkeys, if you put your cursor over here, they help out. Hotkeys. This is full screen. Oh, this is to make how big you want the video to be. It's up to you. I use mine really small because I can see. And that's about it. If you have any questions, might have to take call me, text me. Otherwise, you might have to turn up the volume to hear me, but it's up to you. I don't know. Whatever works best. That's it. Thanks.